Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you a natural makeup summer look. For summer, you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, but you want to cover all your blemishes and just have a nice skin and everything like that. We're not gonna use hard makeup, we're just gonna use concealer, a lotion, concealer, powder, a little bit of eyeshadow, and lipstick, and that's it. And of course, you're gonna do your brows and mascara, and maybe a little bit of blush and a little bit of bronzer. We're gonna use this concealer palette, and I'm gonna talk about it when we're using it. So first of all, we're gonna put some music. So the first thing that you want to do is put on lotion. I have this one. This concealer palette, it has the opposite color of which it covers. So the green, it covers red, is the opposite of red, so it covers red spots. The purple and yellow are opposites on the color wheel, so use yellow to cancel out any unwanted purple spots, such as sunspots or under eye circles. Yellow spots, attack them with purples. And white, it brightens any color, so whatever part of your face that you want to highlight, this is it. So you highlight with this and use this one to cover red and this one to cover yellow. So I'm gonna use this one, the purple, under my eye. And you're asking yourself, oh my god, how is she gonna cover this? Concealer. Concealer with the right color. This is non-copyrighted music. For the eyes, I want to do a little just natural makeup look. You can use bronzer, you can use blush to put in your eyelids. I'm gonna use I have this eyeshadow powder that my sister gave me on Christmas, and I also have this nude palette from the Color Workshop. So I'm gonna mix the two of those. I'm gonna use the browns of this and this one in my lid. So just enjoy the music, sit back and relax and watch me do my eyeshadow. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Look out. Everywhere I go. Drop it for me. I'll rent some beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. Shopping sprees in Paris. Everything 24 carats. I usually for summer a little bit of color with this lip gloss and a lot of chapstick. So there you have it, folks. Wait. So there you have it, folks. This is my summer natural makeup look. This is the makeup look for summer. It's really easy to do, really simple, and it gets you ready for summer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For summer, I'm gonna be posting for now once a week, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I post a video, or just come back every single week for a new video. Make sure you comment some video ideas that you want to see me do for summer, and I hope you're having a wonderful summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.